Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. OLLIE just got paid. Love this melody. Very simple here to combine even with this strumming here. So let's go. Capo on 7th here to get the high notes we need. Let's take a look at the 4 chords needed. So starting with the C, that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have the F major 7 next. So that is 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and open E. A minor. That is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And finally we got G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Okay, so we'll take a look at the picking first. Very, very easy. It follows the chords, and I suggest that you hold the chords as they are. Okay, even if we have 2 main notes, so to speak, to highlight here, we got supporting strings here from the chord that is very usable. So hold the chord as it is, starting with C. Now you pick the 3rd fret A string as the bass. You pick that together with the last 3 strings, the G, B, and the E from the chord. That gives us open G, 1st B, and open E. The important string here will be the open E, so the other G and B are supporting there. Pick those. And then you add 3rd fret on E string. That's it. Then you move on to the F major and play 3rd D string together with 2nd G, 1st B, which are the supporting strings, and now the main note is the open E. So actually all 4 strings together from the F major, and then a clap. You can do it on the wood there, or you can do it on the string, which is the E string there. You don't have to go over all strings because that will kill the sound, and we want the strings to ring out a little bit. So either wood here on the body of the guitar or the string. Okay, so that's the first half of it, and then we apply the same principle here for the next 2 chords, the A minor. Now you pick all the strings there between A and B, so that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, and 1st B. 1st B is the emphasized note here, so pick those together, and then you add open E. And that's it for A minor. And then you go to G and play this and a clap. So now you hit the 3rd fret E string in the bass together with open D and open G and 3rd B. 3rd B is the emphasized note here, so really hit that one and then clap. And that's your melody. Very easy. So from the beginning it goes slowly. And so on. Alright, so there you have the melody, which is the main part of the song. I think that is what you need to learn first, and the greater part of it. You can also combine this with a strumming pattern. So we'll take a look at the transition between 2 different chords, because we need to split this strumming between 2 chords. Okay, so we'll look at the C and F major combo there. Okay, so the first part on C will be down, down, up, clap. And then you change chord to the F major in this case and play down, down, up, clap, down, up. So down first and the pause, and then down, up, clap, down, up. So first part 1, down, down, up, clap, and then you shift to the next chord, F major, and play down, down, up, clap, down, up. Like this slowly. And then you apply the same for the next couple of chords here. A minor played part 1 in the same way as C, down, down, up, clap. And then G in the same way as F major, down, down, up, clap, down, up. So one round of it will be And that's it for OLLIE's Just Got Paid. Give it a try, guys. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please let me know and thumb up this one and subscribe to this channel. And till next time, guys, play tuned.